How to clear watch history on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage. Now, on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options. Tap on menu. Now here on menu, scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now here on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down up until you see the your activity section and here you will see activity log. Tap on activity log there and scroll all the way down again and tap on the logged actions and other activity. Tap on view logged actions and here you will see these. Now on the upper left you'll see filters. Tap on filters and go to categories. Now here on categories, tap on videos you've watched. Now here you'll see the list or all the videos that you have watched and all you have to do is to tap on remove on the right side or the X there on the right side. And basically that is how you clear watch history on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.